Hi guys, it's Legacy AK here, bringing you another video. For today, I'd like to welcome you back to my channel after 2.5 months of Arthur Kinney not uploading. Now, I'd like to apologise for this. This is not my fault, okay? So basically, I was at my dad's one Friday night and I was playing on this, and I dropped it and I picked it up and then I accidentally went like. I'll show you a bit of track because you can break a bit of track. So see the track, and I went like that. And it broke the screen, so I had to get that repaired. I tried like 5 different shops, but in Basildon he said he'd do it for £60, but I got it for cheaper because he accidentally dropped it again. So I got it for £25. So that was good of him. So yeah, I do apologise if I haven't uploaded for like 2.5 months, okay? But I will try and upload now. Okay, I've just been forgetting to make videos. Anyway, thank you for all your support over the last 2 months after I haven't uploaded. Please still subscribe. And yeah, so today I thought I'd do a video with my track because I want to do one me talking to you, but the other camera will have a call like this, but you know the face one where you just look at the camera. Yeah, that's a bit blurry at the minute, and I've got to wait till Saturday to get that fixed. So I thought I'd just do a track. My own track again at Stratford station. Why not? I haven't made one at Stratford for God knows 2 years now. 2016 last time, 2017, I don't know. But it's 2018. I thought I want to make a fresh video, new start next year. So let's get right into the video. Apologies for that train was being there. That shouldn't have been there. Sorry guys, just got to wait for the trains to come in. I do apologise, I know I should have them all set up, shouldn't I? Yes, Legacy, okay, you should. Right. The next train to arrive at platform 8 will be the 10:37 TF rail service to Shenfield, calling at Maryland, Forest Gate, Manor Park, Ilford, Seven Kings, Good, Chadwell Heath, Romford, Gideon, Hallowed Wood, Brentwood, and Shenfield. This train is full of 8 coaches. Woo. Platform 8 for the 10:37 TF service to Shenfield, calling at Maryland, Forest Gate, Manor, Ilford, Seven Kings, Goodmays, Chadwell, Romford, Gideon Park, Harrowed Wood, Brentwood, and Shenfield. This train is formed of 8 coaches. Stratford. This is the train to Shenfield. I'm just doing announcements, guys. May I have your attention, please, on platform 5. Sorry to announce that the 10:39 TF rail service to London Liverpool Street is delayed. Please wait for further announcements about this train. 10:37. 10:38. Beep 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 beep. Shh shh shh. Off it goes. Now Stratford empty. 10:44. The next train to arrive at platform 8 will be the 10:40 TFL rail service to Shenfield, calling at Maryland, Forest Gate, Manor Park, Ilford, Seven Kings, Goodmays, Chadwell, Romford, Gideon Park, Harrowed Wood, Brent, and Shenfield. This train is formed of 8 coaches. Platform 5 for the 10:39 TFL rail to London Liverpool Street, calling at London Liverpool Street. Oh, this train is formed of 8 coaches. 10:44, 45 now. It's an old one, by the way, guys. This is an old TFL. I'm just making them up as I come in. Oh god, it's nearly 10:46 and the train's already coming in. It's an old one now. Please do not leave the lines unattended. They may be removed without. That's left. Train coming on platform 8 is the 1047 TF service to Shenfield. Currently classed of a 315, sorry. Platform 8 for the 1040 TFL rail to London Shenfield. Calling at Maryland, Forest Gate, Manor Park, Ilford, Seven Kings, Goodmays, Chadwell, Romford, Gidea Park, Hallowed, Brentwood and Shen. This train has 8 coaches, formed of 8. Apologies for that dark area there. I'll try and show you more in the light. The next train to arrive at platform 9 will be the 1049 Greater Anglia to London Liverpool Street. Calling at London Liverpool Street. Oh, this train is formed of 8 coaches. Platform 8 ready to leave. Mind the doors, please. Mind the doors. 1048. The platform 5 for the 1040 TFL rail service to London Liverpool Street. Calling at London Liverpool Street only. This is formed of 8 coaches. 10:48, guys. It's on time, this one. 10:39 was 4 minutes late, or 5. This is Stratford. This is the train to Liverpool Street. Platform 9 for the 1049 Greater Anglia to London Liverpool Street. Calling at London Liverpool Street. Oh, this train has 8 coaches. This is a safety announcement. It is not permitted to cycle, skateboard or rollerblade within the station building. It's 10:50, guys. The 10:51 to Shoeburyness. It says on time but it ain't come in yet. The next train to arrive at platform 8 will be the 10:51 C2C to Shoeburyness via Basildon. Calling it up Barking, Upster, West Horndon, Leindon, Basildon, Pitsea, Benfleet, Leigh-on-Sea, Westcliff, South and Central, South and East, Fort Bay and Shoeburyness. This train is formed of 8 coaches. Change at Barking for London over via Wanstead Park and services to Rainham, Grays and Tilbury Town. The next train to arrive at platform 5 will be the 10:53 C2C to London Liverpool Street. Calling at London Liverpool Street. Oh, this train is formed of 8. Train on platform 8 is just 10:51 Shoeburyness service. This train is currently formed of a 357 service to London Cannon Street. London Liverpool has been delayed. 10:51 it is. 57 service to Colchester Town will now depart platform 8. Ladies and gentlemen, your next train to Colchester Town will depart platform 8 now, because this train is calling. This train is calling additionally at Ilford. This is due to something happening on the electrifications. It's 10:52. It's Exodus 52, guys. Oh god, here comes the 10:51 round the corner. Guys, you can see it here. There it is, 10:52, on time for once. What's coming in, guys? Shoeburyness is leaving. Woo! No, I want to put it platform 5 for the 10:53 C2C to London Liverpool Street. Calling it London Liverpool Street only. This train is formed of 8 coaches. Thank you for listening to me today, guys. I hope you did enjoy this video. If you did, please like, share, subscribe. And yeah, and also I haven't uploaded because I had a cough as well and I had a sore throat, and my voice still hurts now, but I don't know what's going on. It's probably part of puberty, but I'm not sure. Okay, I'm not sure. Okay, don't judge me in the comments. Okay, I know probably Legacy will judge me, but you know. But it's at 10:53. It's 10:52 still. Some time. It's about to leave in a minute. Now it's 10:53. He's gonna go. He wants to get the bar. He wants to get his cup of tea, mate, and his biscuits. Don't blame you, mate. It's a bit cold out. Go wait for green signal, then he can go, guys. Yes, he can go. It's the 10:53. Liverpool Street. So have fun over the holidays. Nearly Christmas soon. Yay. And yeah, I hope to do some more videos with me out and about, hopefully. And yeah, so bye, and I'm uploading now. Bye.